How to clear all cache and junk from Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to clear all of your cache and junk from your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is just right click on your Windows and you will get run option. You just need to simply open up your run, and under run you need to type prefetch, hit the enter, and you'll get this kind of interface. And here you just need to simply select your files or just press Ctrl A and it will select all of those, and then go with delete, and you need to delete all of the files that you have right here. Once you're done with it, now again go with the run, and here you need to type in temp, T-E-M-P, and then hit the enter. Now here you will have all of the temporary files, so again just simply press Ctrl A and then go with delete and click on do this for all current items and then go with skip, and it will delete. Once you've deleted, now again go back and then again open up your run. Now you need to enter percentage temp percentage and hit the enter, and you'll get this kind of interface. So here you will have a lot of junk, and these files are not created by you. So what you can do is just simply go with Control A and it will select all of those, and then go with delete, which is on the upper right, and you need to delete all of those. You can skip the part that you're not being able to delete. And once you're done with this also, now you just need to simply again go with run, and now you need to enter cleanmgr and hit the enter, and now you need to go with your disk selection. So I'll be choosing C disk and then go with OK, and it will calculate the disk storage. Now what you need to do is just click on the temporary internet files, the Windows error reports and everything, and once you've done that you just need to simply go with clean up system files and you need to clean it up. Once you've cleaned those, your problem will be fixed. That's how you can clear all cache and junk from your Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.